2 minutes in here. Make it 20, and I'll sit 2 minutes. Because me sitting in for 2 minutes is a...
10, 11, 12.
10, 11, 12 is pinching in the back. Run around 10, 11, 12 is behind you.
Nice win, Ernest.
Not even going, bro.
Two more.
Two more.
One more.
Maybe they swamp you too. I'm trying to
Crash
block
out.
it. Nope, didn't block it in time. Oh!
Oh, we lost.
Dude, stop fucking killing me, man. You're killing my
Fucking
body.
high
Shut the
issues,
fuck
bro.
up!
Like,
You think I give a fuck? You think I
Fucking
give a
shut
fuck?
the fuck
Come
up.
on, bro. Do something about
Oh,
it.
got
Do
spawned.
something about it. Fucking shit stain. Fuck the fuck
Every
up,
time.
dude. Grab me by that fucking neck.
This is the best P2 hold we've
Very
ever done,
dead.
boys.
Nice, Ashy.
Got him.
See, look at that.
What?
Oh, whoa, what the fuck?
That guy's got no bullet reg.
I'll get to if you want me for.
Doc? 2-1, Sean.
Cheating, by the way.
What the fuck are we doing?
Oh, garage.
Dude, he's still low.
Hey, I niggas can't get one?
Ripper. I early rode Dante.
Ripper.
I early rode type shit.
Ripper.
Type shit, yeah.
That's on you.
That's on you, type shit.
Type shit.
Hell
I
no.
was a Dante route for sure.
This is just like, we're not the team. We're just not enough passion on this team.
Yeah.
Top plies, double doors, one bullet. Double doors, one bullet, last guy. Mid steps, maybe.
I hear it.
Last guys don't know, they're gonna spawn barber, they're gonna take routes in the back. Yep, they're gonna go top, middle, or the back. They only have two places they can go.
Hitting you from the back?
You can go back, Dante? What?
That's all I
Mid,
needed.
bro.
Shit, you go ahead and flank that. I'm going top. I get your late timer.
Shall win.
Smart.
Yeah,
It's contagious.
Smart.
Smart. Good play. Good play.
I was getting shit on.
Oh, man, fuck you.
I'm gonna check out one guy rotating.
Not cheating, probably not in already. Nice!
Good man.
Ashy.
One more rotating on you. One more
Wait,
tunnel, one
wait,
more tunnel.
Wait, this kid's out rolling the team. It's following the G8.
Oh no.
That's still the team.
Sounds like oh my fucking god.
More low mid. Go on, hop up behind you.
Wait. In the corner.
Watch out, buddy.
God, I fucking hate this roster, dude.
Oh my god, I'm actually trick shotting.
Dude, I lost. You saw that shit? Like, I'm gonna...
Dude, that's one of those. That's one of those. It's one of those. That's actually insane.
hate the hill.
Type
I
shit.
always hate the
Type
hill,
shit.
dude.
I'm like, dude, where are you guys? I'm broke.
I'm playing a check
Spawning on new, man.
Spiral, kill him dead, spiral. I'm down, front door.
I don't know what he's doing.
Yep. Spawning out apps.
What if you two still?
One's getting checked. One's top two. Top two's gonna get raped.
Top
Pull up.
I get pinned.
Okay.
Okay, repeating. Top two. Eliminated. Behind us, for sure.
Handled.
Yep.
Show some awareness here. Nice step.
Big gate crossing. Weak, I got him.
Where is he going?
Sub is insane.
One more, bro. Top thing coming out now.
No, tunnel is getting turned on. No, one shot. AGK hit a fucking bullet, save his life.
Tunnel's one shot? Alright, I
I'm not
put a
moving.
mill on it. I put 4 in him, you fucking idiot.
Oh my god, I already killed the guy tunnel, you brain dead idiot. That doesn't fucking listen. Look at him, getting team running in his own teammate's iron sight because he's brain dead. Shitty ass
One shot on
positioning.
the car, one's on the barrel. Rip him on the barrel, one on the car, one shot.
Yeah, look at him. Fucking moron. Running to where we nade. Running to where people nade. Why would you go
You
there?
can't run into a neighbor in the air, you fucking dumbass.
You know what you're saying?
Right.
Bro, ticket AG!
I meant you, Dante. I know you guys in New York don't know what the fuck that
Look
is.
at you getting shit on by
I know you
Rupert.
guys in New York don't know what the fuck New York is.
I don't really count that, like.
Bro,
I'm on every fucking map.
You guys are horrible, man. You guys are fucking.
How long have I been live for? 4 hours.
Don't go crazy.
Yeah.
One bullet!
What you guys
DJ!
Yeah, DJ Khaled dead. Dead.
Nice.
Dead.
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 It's actually not
We lost. We can't. Wait, now how are we gonna get the two now?
Why would you get off time?
so I'm clicking P2, bro.
I'll get the scrap. I'll get the scrap.
Makes too much sense. One shot tunnel, challenge. Behind the
I
dumpster.
needed him, I needed him.
Yep, come on, see?
I think one of you.
And now we have spawn, see? That's why I flanked, bitch.
I killed 3 of them. You fucking
Yeah, because I flanked.
What's that old?
No, you did nothing.
Actually, stay up there,
You
bitch.
did nothing.
Stay up there,
Yo.
bitch. Ticket already, bro. Look at your ticket, dumbass.
Lim told you that guy already?
Fuck, that's me, dog.
What? Oh, shit.
In the back.
Tell me, I thought it was AG Angela.
Dante, go, get out the garage.
Shut up,
go.
bum.
Go with
D2!
Yo,
Alright,
what
bro.
the fuck?
Yeah,
Oh,
look
no.
at you two. Dante's sitting in the corner garage.
You guys
I
are
don't know
We
what
got-
the fuck.
What are you
Dante,
saying,
Dante's
spawning garage? Are you
Right,
brain
cool.
dead? Are you I didn't say anything.
Go in the garage. Go the whole time. Curve it in.
Curve it.
Garage.
Curve, why not? Bottom.
Oh, yeah, we need to go to street class.
Wow, we gotta go.
Oh, I need help.
Shit.
Super, I might have been drunk. Super, I should get down. Check, actually, how did I not kill him?
I don't know, come on.
Do the next one.
Yeah, I don't know, come on.
Let's lock in. We lost.
You guys are right now.
We're locked. Spawn on, where did he spawn? On laundry?
I'm shooting garage.
No way he spawned laundry, right?
Yeah.
Oh, she's got laundry. What the fuck are they spawning?
Wait, he's one shot garage.
Give a garage.
Tell you
garage.
garage.
I'm all garage.
No, it's.
Who's getting
Went,
ripped?
top mid, he went top mid. Top mid and all.
I spawned out. I spawned down.
Nothing there.
I just
You're
beat
good.
somebody's ass.
I just got melted.
Yeah.
I got your front. 3, 2, now. Dead. Dead.
Nice.
Dead.
Garage, one shot, garage
Let me
below
get the
mid.
over.
Right.
I hear you.
What the fuck? Where'd he go?
Top mid, one bullet.
No, go for the over. But why the fuck is he watching that?
Dante just got fucking slammed, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, I didn't, bro.
Top mid already, wow.
Yeah, no minimap, Brandon? Bring down.
Go garage.
I'll leave them. I left them for you. See how I just distracted for you and I just. Okay, now that guy's ass. Hold that. Hold time. He's already bottom mid. Dumbass, why are you coming to me? Are you brain
You need
dead?
help, you need help, you need help.
Look right now.
Top mid.
Dante, where you going?
Make him spawn laundry.
Oh, he's mid, he's green stuff. We're not doing call outs.
Green steps at you, huh?
That's green steps.
Top mid right now. Top mid.
Tunnel hit me with a frag in the dome. Who is that? So
Back, baby.
To the back, I think Bruce just fucking pinched the whole
Holy
road.
fuck.
Where are they spawning Brucey? Bruce has fucking ninja mode.
If that's
Ninja mode.
Weak.
Weak, he's one bullet. You too, weak. Got him.
Shot.
Listen, bro, I'm leaving this time. It's urgent.
got 2. I got mine.
Let's go block the spawn, go block the spawn.
I'm on. That's the dude.
Got it.
Behind us.
Oh my god. You're gonna be tunnel, I'm scared.
Ticket, where are you going, Civ? The or ticket. No one's
Where the fuck?
Oh shit.
Dante doesn't know what the fuck he's doing, bro. He saw the hill, you ran away.
Cubby, garage cubby. Freeze call beast. Garage cubby.
Not be dead. 15 over to the time.
What is happening?
Getting shot from someone.
Ticket. Deceased.
I think we
Let's
like
spawn
that.
tunnel perhaps?
Yes.
Oh man.
Great.
Take it.
Oh my god.
Dude, great. Rupert Skywalker.
Nice try, guys. Nice try.
Me.
Rotate. New watch out window.
I'm hitting it. Garage, Dante, where are you going? Dante, hello, Dante! Where are you going?
Oh, we
Big 7 seconds.
1v3, it's 1v3 this second.
Yeah, I know.
Dead.
Tapa.
Flanking AG, I'm flanking AG.
Yeah, thank you.
Got him.
Planted.
I'm up. Fucking eating this kid's ass. Oh my god, they spawned out garage. Hop ups.
Oh, teeny hop up. What the fuck?
Window.
Wait, why is this?
Why are you killing me? Nice, man. Nice.
How is it? Who is this? Hey, looks insane, I know.
We're gonna be hop up, obviously.
Nice.
Nice, guys.
Good job. Good job,
Way
Pred.
to keep our composure there.
Great composure.
Put them.
Good fucking job, guys. You're crispy, my fucking guy.
51 seconds,
Good,
bro.
crispy.
That boy don't be sucking no time.
Yeah, now I get the tier 1. Appreciate it, my guy.
Be sucking no
Dante, I
time.
hope you're not talking.
Bro, you know what? I averaged 2 more seconds than you
Then what?
in the league.
That's
What?
bad.
That's bad.
I average 48. You average like 46 or
Wait,
some shit.
Holy
I'm
fuck,
good
you
with
guys
you
are
three.
not in the hill.
I'm good with you three. You guys all hate the hill.
Even I'm in the hill more than that.
No, you're not.
No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. Bruce, I have to. Bruce, I have to
More
lie.
than AG. I'm
AG,
definitely
out
in
of
the hill
these
more than
three, you
AG.
might be actually best. That'd be my
I'm kidding.
duo.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I
You
don't.
think out of us three, AG plays the most time?